Hi everyone, myself Muthukumar, application engineer from EGS India, also certified professional in SolidWorks PDM. Today we are going to see about data management solution in aerospace industry. SolidWorks PDM is a data management solution from SolidWorks. It will secure, organize and control your data and share files to downstream department automatically, and it will automate your daily work in progress also. It will support your CAD and non-CAD files. It's a software link designed from core engineering to rest of the world using design data. Let's see how it will happen. PDM provide granular security. PDM security is based on three levels: file based, project based and stages based. With these three based rights access, you can easily administratively run the data management. It will also integrate with the SolidWorks, so you can capture each and every changes as a version of that file. If you do need of latest version, you can easily roll back to the previous version. This is very much helpful on concept design, like it is beneficially for multi version of file can be kept, thereby allowing a user can revert to the previous version. Notification: in PDM, each and every event and action can be notified to the corresponding users. There are two types: alert and mail. Alert is by pop-up notification on each and every client system. Mail is through mail ID. This is a sample of mail notification. It will detailedly provide which file move from which stages to which stages, and it will also provide who performed their task and what time. It will kept a hyperlink of that file, so user can directly access the file through the hyperlink. No need to browse the file. Can easily get a mail notification on each and every task, like check-in, checkout and change of stages already we seen. There is another important action, that is delayed in state. This is like if a file is submitted for the approval, it is kept as a 1 week of time. You can set delayed in state notification of 6 days. After the 6 days, if the file is not approved, it will alert the user about your need action of that file, so user can get alert of task assigned to him. A user can also notify colleague about some information. Feedback is not up to the action of the PDM, it is up to some internal process. Next, coming to revision and version control. In PDM, each and every changes on daily work in progress is captured as version of that file, and revision up to our process, like if a file is released, it get revision update as a alphabetic order A and B. If A file is goes above ECR, again it released as a B. In SolidWorks PDM, revision automatically increment by the particular trigger point. It will automatically synchronize BOM also, so there is lot of manual errors cut off. This is the version. You can each and every changes on daily you can capture as a version, already we seen. Let's see about history. SolidWorks PDM provide each and every history of the file from the creation to the deployment, so user can easily capture the list of tasks done on the file. You can easily roll back to the previous version and easily compare the file between the version, and you can easily view the file in version 1 and compare the file in version 10, how the concept design developed between the version also. If you need of a version file, you can save it as a separate file also, so you can get in who made a change and what was changed and why was it changed and when did the change occur, detailing about a file. Next, coming to the BOM is a heart of smart manufacturing. SolidWorks PDM provide automatic update of BOM and synchronize of BOM and easily compare of BOM, and you can export BOM to ERP and MRP system. You can also already seen about the synchronize and automatic update of BOM. Let's see how BOM will compare data. You can easily compare BOM between a revision. You can compare between B and C revision. You can easily get identify of newly added and modified and deleted. So you can understand what are the items removed and item in production level. There is no conflicts arise between the design and production team. Next powerful tool is remote access tool. So web client allow the user to connect to the PDM through desktop and Internet Explorer. So beneficially for external and internal users who are not connected to their office network and have an unsupported operating system. In web 2 also you can get a dynamic preview and properties of the file. You can also approve the files, submit for the approved files. Each and every action that you performed on LAN you can easily perform in the web also. So there is no need to provide or install PDM in the client or a production center. You can easily give a link to the production team to access the file. Finally, I shout out benefits of SolidWorks PDM. Granular security. You can also see it will granularly secure the vault based on the three category: file, project and stages. It will streamline your process, like it automate your process like ECN and design process, and automatically converts the drawing sheet to PDF, IGS step, and it, it hold of 30 types of conversion, and there is no need of e-copy. There is no need of paper to print. Every file is sent as a e-copy, so manual errors restricted there. All users have access the latest version of the file that are stored in a central location. This means manufacturing makes too smart. And next is take ownership. User can lock file, that is taking ownership of the file, so that another user cannot edit the file and can open as a read only. So next, smart manufacturing, that is it is automatically transfer the file between the downstream department or other department, so there is no separate person to pass the files and getting an incorrect document to the department and make of lot of scratches there. It will automatically convert the right data at right time to the right person, so it may lead to the smart manufacturing. Centralized data, so we can access data management centralized location with the help of SolidWorks PDM, so there is no need of network share and there is no possibility of data loss itself. Okay, data management play a vital role in smart manufacturing, so let we decide how our data going to be managed. Thank you.